Hello everyone, welcome back. Again, this is episode 3. We are going to look into the scope for commerce studies and opportunities for commerce students. The next topic, as an accountant or as a commerce student, you can take up the role as a business data analyst. A business data analyst is a data-oriented professional who works as an agent focused on ensuring technology and processes align within the business. The role of the business data analyst is to constantly review and analyze the company's historical data. Based on this, optimize business operations. I repeat this again. The role of a business data analyst is to constantly review and analyze the company's historical data, and based on this historical data, he has to optimize the business operations, business decisions. So what are the skills required for a data analyst? A business analyst should be able to comprehend the organization's goals and problems. It requires recognizing business problems and coming up with the most suited solution. It is good if the business analysts have domain knowledge of the organization they are working in. This will help them with the required deliverables. A business analyst's work towards enabling a change with the motive of increasing the sales of the organization, scale up production, improving revenue streams, etc. Understanding the business motive is the first step in a business analyst's life. It is a special skill by itself. Now, let's proceed to the next set of business analyst skills. As a famous quote by Thomas Alva Edison goes, 5% of the people think, 10% of the people think they think, and the other 85% would rather die than think. That's what Thomas Alva Edison said. This shows that although thinking sounds basic, it is the underrated ability. Thinking is an underrated ability. Analytical and critical thinking is one of the core business analyst's skill. Now, a business analyst must analyze and translate the client's requirements distinctly. Critical thinking helps a business analyst in assessing multiple options before arriving at the aspired solution. Business analysts focus on gathering and understanding the client's needs. Critical thinking enables them to prioritize business requirements. A good analytical bent of mind will help a business analyst reach the stated goals even when there is a limitation in the resources and the conditions are non-ideal. I repeat this again. Critical thinking helps a business analyst in assessing multiple options before arriving at the aspired solution. The next one is communication and interpersonal skills. Being understood is as important as understanding. You should have the ability to communicate concisely, precisely with the stakeholders and clients with regard to the requirements of the business operations. A business analyst uses communication and his interpersonal skills at different phases, at different levels. For example, when a project is being launched, while collecting requirements, when collaborating with stakeholders, while validating the final solution, and so on. Gathering information is extremely vital in the role of a business analyst to make decisions. Business analysts use verbal and written communication to convey ideas, facts, and opinions to stakeholders. Good communication and interpersonal skills will give confidence to a business analyst while facing his challenges, while facilitating meetings. The next important skill for a business analyst is negotiation and cost benefit analysis. Needless to say, negotiation is a crucial skill for every business analyst. The next one is negotiation and cost benefit analysis. To be an effective data analyst, to be a business analyst. Needless to say, negotiation is a crucial skill every business analyst must have. Business analysts negotiate at every project phase. At the initial stage of the project, negotiation skills are used to decide what they must include in the project's vision. Business analysts then use that negotiation skills to determine which requests in turn into requirements and their priority levels. As a project progresses, negotiation skills play a significant role in deciding the functional design that fulfills the requirements. Negotiation skills are also used to make technical decisions at factory levels, at manufacturing levels. Business analysts carry out a cost-benefit analysis to assess the costs and benefits expected in a project. When organizations undertake new projects, business analysts make use of cost-benefit analysis to establish if they should embark on those particular projects, do or not, to make decisions. Again, decision-making skills. When you're a manager, you must have these decision-making skills. Again, for a business data analyst, this one is not exceptional. The decisions made by a business analyst have a direct and indirect impact on the company's business. Hence, they should think of all the aspects before presenting their decision. Before making a decision, a business analyst interprets the problem, the data, and find alternative business approaches, alternative business solutions. It's a role of the business analyst to test all the alternative approaches, those solutions, and make a decision based on their thoughts regarding their approaches. They finally test and implement the solution. Business analysts also take the last call in ensuring that the particular technical design conforms to the discussed business requirements or not. We will now take you through a few technical skills in our list of business analyst skills. The next one is the important skill of a business analyst is programming languages. Business analysts should have hands-on programming knowledge in order to perform quicker and better data analysis. Knowledge of R programming and Python programming is extremely beneficial. Complex problems can be solved by writing efficient codes. R programming and Python comprise several libraries and packages for data wrangling, data manipulation, data visualization, and analytics. Additionally, a sound understanding of statistical software like SAS and SPSS is recommended. With the help of the above programming languages, massive data can be analyzed and visualized. Also, business models can be created for making business predictions. Business analysts must be proficient in using various business intelligence tools for creating reports and dashboards. Business analysts develop general reports, dashboard reports to solve decision-making problems. Sound knowledge of Tableau, OlicView, and Power BI is necessary to make different reports based on business requirements. These tools are extremely important in the USA and in Europe. Database and SQL. This one is quite common in India. So students who are in India, please go for it. is another skill. The next skill every business analyst should have is the knowledge of a database and SQL. Business analysts most often work with structured data. In order to store and process this heavy data, they should have a sound understanding of relational databases like Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL database, Oracle database, as well as NoSQL databases. Every business analyst must carry hands-on experience with SQL. This will help them access, retrieve, manipulate, and analyze the data. They must write data definition and data manipulation commands like create, delete, select, update, insert, etc. and etc. Coming to the Microsoft package, Office package. Knowledge of Microsoft Excel is a fundamental skill that every business analyst must have. Excel is one of the oldest and strongest analytics and reporting tools. Business analysts should use it to perform several calculations, data and budget analysis to unravel business patterns. They summarize data by creating pivot tables. They make different charts using Excel to generate dynamic reports related to the business problems. So learning Excel is very vital. Microsoft Excel is used to create revenue growth models for new products based on recent customer forecasts, plan an editorial calendar, list expenses for products, and create charts to show how close the product is to budget across each category. Business analysts use Excel to calculate customer discounts based on monthly purchase, volume by product. They even summarize customer revenue by product to find areas where there is a need to build strong customer relationships. Another important role, skill. Documentation and presentation. A business analyst should document their project results very well, clearly, concisely. They should confidently present their project findings and outcomes in front of the stakeholders and clients. With the help of organized documentation, business analysts can communicate technical concepts easily to non-technical employees. Jotting down project lessons is very vital, as it will help them make better decisions in the future. Later, if similar problems crop up, business analysts can use the previous solutions, thereby saving time and preventing unwanted issues. I have covered all the skills required need to be developed by a business analyst. Now you can follow all this, train up yourself, and become a very successful business analyst. What a man thinks determines his fate. What you think determines your own fate. What I think here determines my fate. What you think in your head determines your fate. So think good, be positive, and keep moving forward. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We will continue to the fourth one. Probably that will be the last one, the fourth episode. We will conclude the commerce studies, scope for commerce studies. Thank you for watching this video. Please help me grow this channel, YouTube channel, Victory Zone channel, and ask your friends to subscribe, please. Thank you. Help us to grow. Help us to help you. Help us to reach the public. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. you.